Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adib Wafi and my partner is Fazreen, and today we will explain our lab 2. So firstly, for the question 1, this is the task and we need to determine the output of the program by writing the comment. So here, as we can see, the line 1 is the uh, uh, had, had been written yearly. This is the example, and this is the sample. So we proceed to the line 2. This the coding say move vs vr2, which means move the value of vr2 into the register vs. As we can see here, vr2 is 9, vr1 is 1, and so this will, so the instruction here, the vs and vr2 will be 0009h in 8 byte 8 bit and in hexadecimal form. So proceed to the line 3. It say that exchange AX with VX. So the value will be exchanged, and so VX will be AX will be VX. And here and one, and AX will be 9 and VX will be 1. So this is the comment. So proceed to the line 4. It say move VR1 with AX. So which means move the value of AX into register VR1. It will be 9, and then the lastly move var2 vs, move the value of vs into register var2, and here 1 will be 1. Okay, so we proceed to the question 2. This is the arithmetic equation. So firstly, this is the data for our x val, y val, and z val. So for the line 1, it say move ax x val, which means move the value of register value of x val into register AAX. So here x val is 26. So in hexadecimal we got 1a. A is 10. 10 plus with the 1 multiply with 16 to the power of 1, with it will be 26. So this is the form in hexadecimal. So for the line 2, it say negate AAX register, it will become negative 26. So in the sign bit here, it will be 1. We just change it, and then proceed to the line 3. It says that move avx y val, which means move the value of y val into register avx. As you can see here, y val is say 30 into avx. So in 30 it will be 1 1e. Is 14 in hexadecimal plus with 16, and it will be 30. So this is the y val. So for the line 4, it says that subtract sub EVS to Z val, which means subtract register EVS with the value of Z val. Z val is here is 40, and EVX here is Y val, because the value of Y val is put into the register of EVX. So basically it will be 30 minus with 40 here. So this is the early the first it is the value before the subtraction occurred, and then here it will be this EBX here will be the value after the subtraction. It will got negative 10. 30 minus with 40 will get negative 10. So here negative 1 for the negative, and A is 10. So for the line 5, it said that EAX with EBX. So EAX we got from here EAX negative 26, we copy, and then here we got from this, and then we add. If you can see, negative 26 plus with negative 10, it will become 36 here. So for the line 6, line 6 is a increment EAX, which means increment value of register EAX by 1. Here where is it? So EAX after we put the value register, it will be negative 36, which means the value in this will become 1000000024 for the negative 36, and and 22, and then increment we got 23. So for the and lastly for the line 7, move EAS into RVAL, move the value of register EAS into RVAL. So here EAS we put into the R value, we got this. The answer is negative 35 in decimal form. So lastly for the question 3, this is the arithmetic question, and this is the data. var1 5, var2 10, var3 20, and var4 is not initialized. So determine the output and complete the comment for every line. So here we got the line first, it had error already written. Move EAX var1, which means move the value of var1 into the register EAX. Here var1 is 5 into the register EAX, and then proceed to line 2, mul var2, which means multiply the value of EAX with var2. So EAX here is this one 5, and then multiply with var2. var2 is 10. So 5 multiply with 10, we got 50, and then here var2 here 10 AH, and then AX here is the value after the multiply 3 to the power of 16. 3 multiply with 16 to the power of 1 plus 2, it will become 50. And then proceed to the line 3, it says here add EAX var3, which means add the value of var3 with value EAX with add the value of var3 to the register of EAX. As you can see here, var3 the value is 20, plus with 50 it will become 70, and here is the value of register EAX here 46 in hexadecimal, and in decimal it will become 70. And lastly for the line 4, move it say here decrement EAX, which means decrement the value of EAX by 1. So in the question is not say that was the line 4, so we can skip and see the line 4, move var4 EAX, which means move the value of register EAX into variant 4. So EAX.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fazreen and I will explain to you lab 2 question number 4 until 6. So for the question number 4, we need to debug the program below. Use the arithmetic equation as the question. So var4 equal to var1 times 5 divided by var2 minus 3. So it gives us the program. So what we need to do is just maybe open the Visual Studio Code and copy the program, just like I did here. Test it and check the operation here to make a better understanding for it. So as you can see, my answer is as shown. So for the line 1, 00 for AX 0028H, var1 0028H, it means move the value of var1 40 decimals into register AX as per in the example given. So mov AX var1, it means this. So for line 2, move 5 into BX. So this is 005 in decimal and hexadecimal. Move the value of 5 into register. And for line 3, multiply BX. It means multiply AX with BX. It means here. So AX is 00C8. BX is still the same, 005, because of here. Alright. So multiply the value of AX with BX become 200. Okay. So line 4, BX 00BH, which means here, move the value of var2 into BX. So we get this. For line 5, subtract 3 with BX. So subtract the value BX with 3 become 7. So next, line 6, divide bx. So by it means here, ax is 0, 0, 1, bx is 0, 0, 7, and dx is 4. Dx is the remainder of the equation, remainder of the divide division. So divide the value ax and with bx, i.e. with remainder 4. Okay, so last line 7, it says move the value ax into var 4. So the answer is ax, is that ax. So we need to transfer the data to the var 4. So move the value of ax 28, the answer is 28, into register var 4. So that's the explanation for the question number 4. And next, the question number 5. Write an assembly length program that will implement the following expression. A equals to B plus C times D minus E. So it gives us the data. So take note that use word. So we need to use AX, BX, and so on. So in my case, what I do is this. The answer is this. So what it looks like in the Visual Studio Code, which is, let me show you. So this is my answer. So as you can see, this is the same as in the question. So let's debug it. It runs properly. But nothing. Yeah, that's basically it. That's it. So so what it is in the main program, the first thing that we need to do is move the value val b 12 into ax for the next for the equation. So the x is b now. So to find the answer for b plus c, add ax with val c. So this is what I do. So 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay, this is 16 here. For line 3, I use another variable, which is bx. So I move the value of var d into bx. So bx is here, d, and I subtract the value d, the bx with var e. So 20 minus 10 becomes 10. Okay, so we get the answer for this part. All right. So what we need to do is just multiply it, both of it. So multiply bx. So basically, d plus e, bx is d plus a minus e now. So what we need to do, just multiply bx. It means it may be a bit confusing, but as you can see here, multiply here, it goes ax times bx. So it goes 20 times 16, 20 plus 16. So after we get the value, which is ax, stored in ax, so we move the value ax to val a, so we get the answer. So that's it. Next one is question number 6. Write an assembly program that will implement the following expression. A equals to b divided by c and times d. So as in question number 5, it gives us the data. So this is my answer. So in the Visual Studio Code, I can open it and show to you. So this is my program here, and I think it's running properly. It's nothing to worry about. So everything is working normally. and this is my program, and as shown before, and in the main program, we move firstly we move the value of val b into ax here, sorry, and we multiply. Oh, I'm sorry, it's actually divide by val c, and okay, sorry for that. Okay, after we store it in the ax, we divide with c, so here divide with c, so 12 minus 4, divide by 4, we get 3, and we move, I use the other variables, which is bx, move var d into bx, so this is bx, so what we need to do is just multiply bx with ax, which is the value of b divided by c, so that's it, that's the answer. So after you got that, just move the value ax into val a, and you get the answer. So I think that's it, explanation for the three question. So thank you so much.